In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Miro board organized. Managing a digital whiteboard can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, especially when ideas, notes, and other elements start piling up. But fear not, with a few simple steps you'll be able to maintain a tidy and easy to navigate workspace. Let's get started. First things first, head over to Miro.com. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing the URL into the address bar. Once you land on the site, you'll see the home page with various options. Look for the login option and give it a click. This will take you to the login page. Now, it's time to enter your login credentials. You can sign in using either your email or your Google account. Most users find the continue with Google option convenient because it eliminates the need to remember another set of credentials. Choose the method that works best for you and proceed. Once you're logged in, the next step is to navigate to your dashboard where you'll see all your boards. Click on the board you want to organize and it will open up in front of you. This is where the magic of organization begins. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a toolbar. One of the icons on this toolbar is the frame icon. Click on it. Frames are a powerful feature in Miro that allow you to group related items together, which is essential for keeping things orderly. After clicking the frame icon, you'll want to select a frame and drag it into your board. This is as simple as clicking, holding, and moving your mouse to the desired location. You'll see a frame appear much like a container into which you can place related objects. With your frame in place, go ahead and start gathering related items. Maybe it's all your brainstorming ideas, or perhaps it's a section of notes that belong to the same topic. Wherever there is a logical connection, group them within the frame. Don't hesitate to add more frames as needed. Depending on the complexity of your board, you might find that multiple frames help keep everything segmented and easy to find. This will largely depend on your personal or team's workflow, so feel free to experiment and adjust accordingly. As you get more comfortable using frames, you might notice certain objects or notes that are no longer needed. To keep your board clutter-free, delete these unnecessary elements. Simply select the object and hit the delete key on your keyboard. This will help streamline your workspace and ensure that only the items of importance remain. And there you have it. By using frames and eliminating clutter, you can maintain a well-organized Miro board that makes collaboration and idea tracking a breeze. Remember, like any skill, board organization can improve with practice, so give yourself the freedom to adjust your methods as you go. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.